Hello everyone, my name is Takaz. I do web app design, end-to-end product design for AI, Web3, SaaS, cloud, cybersecurity. You can check my profile is.com or LinkedIn. I share about design, product, and business. And today, I will share with you about landing your first UIUX shop. You can check planuiuxshop.com to know more about the ebook. Also, I have a shop, Takazcao.lemonsqueeze.com. I share a lot of stuff about design. You can go into website and download this. It's free. Go to the chapter 3. Guide to get you started in UI UX design. Number 1, UX process. Number 1, UX process. We have designing the right thing and design thing right. From problem to solution. We have discover, define, develop, and deliver. Imagine working on a project with no time or budget constraint. That's a dream for your UX process. In this scenario, its phase move forward when designer and stakeholder are aligned. Whether you're a junior, mid-level, or senior UI UX designer, you need to adapt this to your company and project. This works for any project, internal or external. When the team isn't familiar with the UX process, it brings stakeholders on board, align their view, and involve them in the design, which is especially useful when the product or design problem isn't defined yet. I have a template, empathy map for W1H, how my we workshop. It's a Figma file. You can check it. So, what's a Turbo Diamond framework? To get things done efficiently, set up a simple process that gets things done fast and well. Design is about keeping up with trends and patterns, and that means making a few adjustments to find the best solution. Remember, there's always room for improvement with each design iteration. The design council come up with Turbo Diamond design process, which focuses on creativity, system design, and management. This approach has grown over time. Let's dive into the updated Turbo Diamond method and see how it can enhance your design process. With this approach, you feel empowered and ready to achieve your goal with a little guidance and support. At the heart of the framework for innovation is design concepts design methodology, the Turbo Diamond. A clear, comprehensive, and visual description of the design process, launched in 2024. The Turbo Diamond has become the world renowned with a million of references to it on the web. The Turbo Diamond framework gives you a clear design path for designer and non-designer alike, so you get precise outcome. It takes you through the creativity process, turn idea into reality, and move from problem to solution. Before you start creating, it takes you from A to B, from nothing to something. Make the journey easy and efficient. So, designing the right thing. You have to discover, diverging, adopt a broad approach, and keep your idea open ends. Go. What is the purpose of the website? The smart user needs, business goal, technical constraints. Okay, research. What do users want? What are the obstacles? For W1S, what, where, when, why, and how. Markets analyzes data to find user needs, look at percentage, growth rate, the measure brands and quantity, use Google Trends and statistics. Competitor research tree to find company that offer similar device product, identify their strength and weakness to avoid their mistake, document their insight to improve your product. Empathy map adapt a user-centric approach to understand emotion by focusing on what users do, say, think, and feel for deeper insight. Say, think, then feel. Okay. User journey. You need to find both positive and negative user experiences. Prepare for complex parts of the process and focus on gathering critical information, not unnecessary details. Define user converging. Consolidate idea into on clear focus. SMW, how might we? Okay, convergence. How might we answer is how might we do it? User story. As a user, I want a goal or action so that the outcome or region is so specific and goal oriented. Okay. And we will move to part 2 to solution. Designing things right. Okay. Develop diverging. Apply a wide approach and avoid limiting your idea. Ask what's on your mind. Why did you do that? User flow study competitor to streamline step. What matters to the user? What gives them confidence to move forward? What's called hesitation? Low fidelity prototype. Don't worry about the detail. Focus on functionality, the right design, sign, and spacing. User testing. Find errors. Observe user interaction. Review. Revisit the project. Keep what good. Toss what not. And the final is deliver. Conversion. Consolidate idea into one clear focus. High fidelity design. Get fancy with detail. Design review. Full review. Design documentation. Solve user problem with clear guide and overview for better understanding. Hand up. Pass the design to the developer. Test prototype to create feedback loop. Design Q&A. Finalize the product. Get clarity on the process and any surprise. Share the love. Enjoy your ebook. Tell your friend and help them level up the UI/UX design skill. Your feedback matters. I love to hear what you think about this ebook. Please send it to Takaz at Takazcao.com. You can tag me on Insta or LinkedIn with your thought and suggestion. Your input help me make ebook better for everyone. Okay, thank you. See you.